Hello everyone, this is Gautam. Today I am share job update with you once again. If you need job update, please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend and like this video. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. This is Telegram link and this link I will paste in description box. Please join it. Let's discuss our job. First job for business analyst. This is for Bengaluru location and salary is 3 LPA to 4 LPA per year, and this is full-time opportunity and morning shift. And how to apply the job? You simply click here apply now and you fill the detail. Before that you can read here, this is your job description and this is a skill required. Okay, and our next job is financial data analyst. This is a remote location and salary is 30k to 40k per month. This is full-time opportunity and remote, and this is also morning shift and evening shift. Okay, and qualification need Power BI certification required. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Kolkata West Bengal location, and salary is 2.8 L to 3.2 L per year, and this is full-time opportunity for fresher and a regular permanent remote also. And shift is US shift, means night shift, and a skill required Microsoft Excel and SQL must. And this is your job description, you can see here. And a skill needed SQL queries and experience in BI tools. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is research analyst. This is hiring for Simla Himachal Pradesh location and salary is 10k per month. And this is part-time opportunity and regular after that, and permanent also. And shift is night shift and day shift. This is full job description. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai Maharashtra location. This is also full-time opportunity but salary is not mentioned here, and experience needed 3 to 4 year, and a skill need SQL and views and all. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst. This is also for remote location and salary is not mentioned also here, and opportunity is full time and remote and day shift. Okay, and experience need is 6 to 8 year, and responsibility you can see here, and apply that. Okay, and how to apply the in this row? You can simply click apply now and you fill that. But in this role you have need SQL, Oracle, and R and Python. And our next job is data analyst for Nagpur Maharashtra location, and salary is 2L to 3L per year, and this is also full-time opportunity. And and how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for New Delhi location, and this is full-time opportunity. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next update is data analyst trainer. This is for Kalyan Maharashtra location, means Mumbai location, and salary is 20k to 50k per month. And this is job type is full time. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job update is data analyst, Tableau, Excel, and Power BI plus 2 year of experience. And salary is 3 LPA to 5 LPA per month. No, sorry, per year. And this is full time opportunity. And shift is morning shift. And this is your job description and all. And how to apply this job? You have simply click apply now and you fill the details. Uh, Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you, everyone. And please support this channel, subscribe this video, and like this video with your friend. Thank you for watching this.